Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you how you can change the sidebar menu to the latest version. So let's get started. Simply log into your BotPenguin account. Once you are logged in, you can click on this more option on the left hand side, scroll down and you will get this my account option. Click on that and over here you will get three options: profile information, primary contact information and company information. To changing this sidebar to the latest version, you have to click on this profile information. Once you click on it, you will get this option of select sidebar version. You can click on the drop down and you can click on the latest and submit it. Within few seconds, the sidebar will be changed to the latest version. You can check that from here. This is how you can change the sidebar version to the latest version. In case if you have any queries for the same, please do reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for choosing BotPenguin. Have a good day. Bye.